hard and you don't stop until the job is done. What if the job can be made safer and easier? Maximize your potential with the high-rise folding rear entry step from ReTrac. Commercial trailers are difficult to enter with few supports for entry and blind spots when exiting, putting your safety and health at risk. High-rise is a thoughtfully designed step that increases safety for easier entry and provides a visible, secure step when exiting. This allows you to do your job safely and efficiently. And if that's not enough, high-rise also features an auto stow roller mechanism. This innovative design feature automatically stows high-rise in the upright position when the roller makes contact with a loading dock or forklift. The high-rise entry step installs in minutes with 4 bolts, and it fits any 4-inch bumper beam, most commonly found on semi-trailers, box trucks, and flat decks. The pocket size required to install the step is a minimum of 12.8 inches wide, 12.25 inches deep, 15.75 inches from the bottom of the bumper to the deck, and 6.25 inches of ground clearance below the bumper. Constructed from a high-strength 7-gauge steel, high-rise has a working load limit of 600 pounds. High-rise features graded steps for exceptional traction, even in wet or icy conditions. High-rise is an affordable, common-sense investment in safety and efficiency for all drivers and fleet operators. So maximize your potential with high-rise from ReTrac.